Hello everyone. I am Arjita Sinha of BSc Nursing 3rd semester of Neotia Academy Nursing Training Institute, and today I am here to tell you why I chose this institution to pursue my career in nursing and what makes it so unique. The first reason was I wanted to study with the best. This institution provides top-class professors, various workshops, and state-of-the-art facilities and technologies to boost the learning and teaching experience. The second reason would be the hostel facilities. I am a hosteler here, and I can say that the housing, cleaning, and canteen services provided here are better than many of the other places that I have heard of. My parents trust this institution with its security and the services that it provides. Thus, after staying here for more than a year, I can say that I am privileged and lucky to be a part of this institution, and this is what makes it so unique. Thank you.